Once you confirm the unit lattice setting, you can go to the spatial lattice settings. In spatial lattice settings, there are two parameters. One is angle and other is period. The significance of angle parameter is to control the orientation of lattices in 3D space. There are four different predefined settings under angle parameter. One is normal, where there is no change in angle. Other is bend, where there is a change of 0 to 90 degree happens over the 3D space and it's look like a bend. The next one is round, where the angle changes from 0 to 360 degree, and the last one is sine wave, where the angle changes in the form of a wave. If you select the normal setting and if you view the spatial lattice, there will be no visible changes in the spatial distribution. If you select the setting bend, then you will see the lattice making a bend in the 3D space. The angle changes from 0 to 90 degree. If you select the setting round, it will rotate the lattice distribution in 360 degree. Spatial lattice angle changes from 0 to 360 degree and completing a full circle. If you select the setting sine wave, the angle changes in the 3D space in a waveform. The angle changes in a waveform. Resultant lattice distribution is also distributed in a waveform. Period parameter in the spatial lattice setting controls the size and shape of the lattices distributed throughout the 3D space. There are three different predefined settings in period parameters for controlling the period of the spatial grating. One is constant, another one is variable axis, and other is variable grid. If you select the constant setting, the period of the grating will be constant throughout the 3D space. If you select the variable axis, you can change the period of the grating along each axis separately. Now the period of grating along z axis is 5. That is why you are seeing more number of lattices along z direction. I am going to change to 50. So the number reduces. Lesser the value in these boxes result in more number of lattices along this particular axis. Another setting is variable grid, where the period of the grating will increases from origin to diagonally opposite end. You can see from the viewport that the period is lower towards the origin and it is higher when it moves towards the diagonally opposite end.